Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to display the array list elements. See, if you want to display all elements, here I'm using for loop. So what is the advantage of for loop means what? Using the for loop, you can display the elements either in forward direction or in backward direction, right? In both directions. Here, for loop is always using index. We follow the index, and one more thing is what? We are using get method to access each element from the list. Let me explain practically. I'm taking one array list and I'm adding some elements to the list. List dot add of 10. Like this here, as we mentioned integer type, we are adding some elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Any elements you can add, and any type also you can add, no matter all the elements we added. Now simply, if you want to display, I'm using the for loop. For loop we are repeating. Sir, how many times we have to repeat? Until the list size, up to that list size. Index starts with 0 and index ends with, if you give list size, the total number of elements are 5. List size is 5, but index starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 4 only you have to repeat. So better you go with -1. Total size -1. It will understand clearly. Or less than list size, but instead of that, it is good to understand the logic. Every time we increase by 1. Okay. Then how to access the elements? Using the get method, list dot get of, that index is a I. That value we are printing directly. System dot out dot println, then we are printing that list dot get of I. Because here, first what is I value? 0. Get of 0 means what? The value which is present in 0th location will come. Next I value become 1. Then first location element, then second location element, then keep on printing. So all elements from the list, one by one will iterate. This is the way. Then I just want to display the same thing using for loop in reverse order. The only advantage is what? You can display the elements in both directions. So now it is starting from size -1 greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus, in reverse order. In reverse order. See, in this one, size is 5. 5 minus 1 is a 4. Fourth location element first. Then I minus minus. Third, second, first. Zeroth location. Yes, 0 greater than or equal to 0. Still true. When it is -1 greater than or equals to 0, the condition false. So when you run this code, all elements will display in reverse order. Hope you understood. Please practice this, how to display the list using for loop in both the directions with their index and using the get method. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.